Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to start on our Halloween garlands. I have these foam sheets here and I have a stencil. I'm going to carve out pumpkin shaped small little balls out of these foam sheets and then we are going to make a garland. Let's get started. I'm going to cut out this pumpkin stencil that I have drawn on a white paper sheet. Here I have two cutouts. Now I'm going to paint all of this here. First I'm using a black pen to lightly draw the eyes and the mouth for our jack-o'-lantern garland. Next, we will add some lines to mimic the pumpkin. You can leave out these lines if you want the garland to be cute. I don't want it that way, so I'm going for a little bit of scary effect here. And now we replicate these with more. And here are our pumpkin cutouts. Now we are going to glue these on a jute yarn. Take a desired length of the yarn and place these pumpkins upside down. Now we are going to add some hot glue. Place the yarn right in the middle and add a bit of glue on top of this. You can leave a desired space between the two pumpkins. And here are all of the pumpkins on a string to make a beautiful jack-o'-lantern garland. And here is our pumpkin jack-o'-lantern garland all ready for our Halloween decorations. Pumpkin jack-o'-lantern, sorry.